You need to watch this if you struggle with feeling your best. Taurine could be the game changer you didn't know you needed. Taurine, a powerful amino acid found naturally in your body and in foods like meat, fish and dairy. But why is everyone buzzing about taurine supplements? Well, taurine supports heart health, boosts energy levels and aids in muscle function. It's like a health superhero in a tiny capsule. For most adults, a dose of 500 to 2,000 milligrams per day is safe and effective. Best taken with meals for optimal absorption. But remember, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Stick to recommended doses to avoid any potential side effects. And hey, if you're ready to give taurine a try, check out the links in the description for some top-rated options on Amazon. As an affiliate, we earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Also, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more information on longevity hacks. Prioritize your health and let taurine be a part of the journey. Stay healthy, stay strong.